All right, y'all. Welcome to a brand new video. It's a new week. It's Sunday afternoon, I think, already here in the Netherlands. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's starting to warm up. I'm so glad it's starting to warm up because I do not like the cold weather. So I'm super happy about that. And it means I can get a lot more work done on the van, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to install well, actually just a single solar panel that we have. I'm going to try to on the roof. It's going to be pretty complicated because there's a bunch of bumps on the roof. I already saw this thing wants you to bolt it down from the bottom. I already put insulation on the roof, so I can't do that. So I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do. I think my plan right now is I have these wooden beams. I'm going to put them there. I'm going to bolt the solar panel onto the wooden beams, and I'm going to have them extended and then bolted into the van from here. I hope this will all work out. I'm also going to use a bunch of glue. It also needs to be watertight, of course, because there's going to be cables coming through. So I hope that'll all go well. I've already moved the cars around because I really want to work in the sun. And because when you're in the shade, it's still really cold. But as soon as you're out in the sun over here, it's super nice. So I'm just going to put the table out over here, work out in the sun. It should be another good day. It's a new week. We got plenty of stuff to do. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys. I'm on top of the van again. It's another beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's super warm. And I got an early start on the day, so I got a lot done already, and it's not even noon yet. So we still got the full day ahead of us. I've got the solar panel completely mounted up here. There's screws in every corner. I kitted over the screws, but there's screws in every corner. And I could put a bunch of kit and tape under it so this thing isn't going anywhere. We have this little thing with the cables running through it so that it stays watertight. I drilled the holes in there and the cables come out right under there. So it's all going super smoothly. I think for right now I'm just gonna let this all dry. My hands are filthy, my pants are filthy. So I'm just gonna try to clean up, let this dry a little bit, see what I want to do for the rest of the day. I don't really know what to do now because these were all the major steps. I think all the big steps are done now. The solar panel, the windows, the roof vent. I'm just flying through this, I feel like. So I'm gonna look on the inside of the van and see if I can maybe start insulating the walls or something, but I might do that tomorrow because my brother's coming tomorrow. So get ready for that. You'll finally meet him, the owner of this van, and hopefully we can do some stuff together and make an enjoyable video for you guys. All right, y'all, it's a new day, late in the afternoon. We already got a ton of work done today. We got the insulation done on the walls, and we got these frames built up around the wheel wells. Because guess who I picked up yesterday? It's my brother. So he's the owner of this van. He's the one that's doing all the engineering behind this and the ideas. I'm just the one who's doing all the work. You know, let the young brother do everything. But yeah, so I picked him up yesterday. We're gonna get a lot of stuff done today. We were gonna look into doing some electrical work, but I think that's gonna be done tomorrow or later in the week. We just want to get these walls built up because we got the walls from the store, and in order to do that, we first need to get all this insulation done. So we built these frames to make cutting out the wall easier, and now we're gonna put insulation behind everything. Should be relatively easy. We already did a lot of work today, so I think that's just what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, and then hopefully I'll catch you later. Got anything to say, Tom?
No, not really.
All right.
Doing good work.
Are you excited to be working on this van?
Hell yeah. Project Van H, baby.
Yeah. So, super excited. I'm glad this is the first time he's seen the van, so I'm super glad. I'm pretty sure he's happy with everything so far.
Yeah, it's all great.
Awesome. So, I guess we'll see you guys later. All right, y'all, it's a brand new day. We're getting an early start on the day. It's beautiful weather here in the Netherlands, and we're super excited to get some work done. We're gonna be working on the walls. So we have all these panels that we just bought at the store. They're all pre-cut at certain measurements, and we just measured the inside of the van, and we're gonna be cutting holes for around the wheel wells and hopefully cutting them to size because the walls curve a bit. So we wanna make sure it all fits nicely. While I'm doing that, my brother's going to be doing some electrical work. We just got some switches, so we're going to wire those up. I think we're gonna fly through this. Yeah, just got to get some cuts done first. Cut out the wheel wells. That's the first thing we're going to do. And then get some more precise measurements. I really am glad that my brother's here for this because I don't think I'd be able to do the walls by myself. So it's super nice having two people here for once, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, y'all, it's Saturday, the last day of the week, and I've just been super happy with the progress we made this week. We got the solar panels installed on the roof, and I have the cables that come down here, and they run through the walls over here, and then they come out over here where the battery's gonna be. We got these walls put in, and I mean, they feel super sturdy. I think it looks so nice, and it just completely transforms the van into a camper. I mean, now we have walls. It's actually starting to look like a camper. I'm super excited to get this thing done. I'm super happy with the progress I'm making. Just flying through this. For today, I think that's going to be it for today because I only really did this today and put it in there. There's not really much more I can do. I need to talk to my brother about how we're going to do the window. We need to build a frame around that. And we're building these little boxes. I'm just super happy with the progress we're making. Now that the walls are in, it just completely transforms the van. So I hope you guys are happy as well, and I hope you guys are excited for next week's video as well. Just please keep watching, let me know what I can improve on, what I can do differently. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I mean, I can just look at it. It looks super cool, and it's all super sturdy. It's like rock solid. So let's just keep up this good work, I guess, and hopefully see you guys next week. Stay motivated, guys. Have a wonderful weekend and or a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next week.